What we're finding is that a couple things are happening. Domestically here in the U.S., what we have is TV Everywhere is really pushing beyond just a normal PC experience into lots of other devices. So tablets, mobile phones. Comcast has been very aggressive in that area, as well as many of the other operators that are dealing with TV Everywhere today. So we're starting to push beyond that traditional PC Mac experience. Around the world, what we're finding is that TV Everywhere is growing in other ways. So what we used to think is just a video on demand experience is now starting to incorporate live linear TV. So we actually have channels coming off of the, just like a TV experience, almost a virtual TV experience, including a VOD library, but also live linear channels that you'd expect to get.
So those are sort of subscription based, or how does that work? Or they're advertiser based?
So the business model is both. It's the traditional TV model, so it includes advertising. The nice thing about it is it's online advertising, so we can be more targeted with our ads for each one of the audience members, as well as it's subscription based. So you have to subscribe to a package to get access to your channels. Traditionally, you only got to access that on TV. Now you're getting to access that on PCs, Macs, as well as mobile devices as well. So you're actually adding more value to your pay TV subscription. I think the most interesting thing about TV Everywhere, though, is that we're actually starting to see it come back into the TV. So with Telstra in Australia, what we're actually finding is that they're taking their online video experience, something they call the Big Pond TV service, and actually piping it back into set-top boxes on the TV. So effectively, everything we like about online video, near infinite on-demand libraries, advanced advertising, really dynamic guides that allows a personalized content discovery experience, that's starting to migrate back into the television set. And it's, effectively, TV Everywhere is taking over TV.
Tell us about what's happening with your support for Comcast and TV Everywhere. You guys were really out there on the front in the beginning.
I think that across the board, Comcast has been very aggressive from very early on. We've actually been working with Comcast for about 2 years on TV Everywhere. So it's kind of part of the bloodstream now as part of their business model. They've been very aggressive about acquiring content. They have over 150,000 titles now available on their Xfinity.tv website. So it's a really rich library for their consumers to actually find that content. And then they're also pushing that content into more and more devices. So they have iPad apps, they have Android apps they're rolling out that are not just they also have second screen devices, so it's actually a remote control, but you can then also watch video in that same interface, in that same app. They're pushing it into now smart TVs. So at CES they announced the ability to take that Xfinity.tv experience and roll it back into a Samsung TV app. So again, it's really about pushing to where that audience expects that content to be, and that's across lots and lots of different devices or connected TV sets.